My name is Ernest. I work for the Cosmo Restaurants as a project and facilities manager, and we are here at Cosmo Preston. So we like to, pre-cook all the protein, all the meats before finishing off on the grill. But we find it before coming across the module line, we sometimes tend to overcook the meat. Then if we're finishing off on the grill, it goes really dry. But with the module line, two things comes to play. One is how easy it is to use. Program it to run overnight, cook and maintain on low temperature. Then the meat is nice and tender. We know it's going to be juicy. Then when we finish off on the grill, we know we're going to get that consistency. So simple for the staff. And the second thing is one socket, one plug can plug in anywhere. It doesn't have to sit under a canopy, under hood. Then that means we don't have to have the canopy on, have the extraction on overnight to do the overnight slow cook. That helps saves our electrics and also better on our footprint. We use it for brisket, ribs, belly pork as well. I know the chefs have got that planned, as well as a whole lamb leg in the module line. The result speaks for itself. It's just exactly like something that has been slowly smoking or grilling for 12, 14 hours. If you're looking, to a good piece of meat that is cooked well, but without constantly there looking at it, how it's doing, the module line is for you. So food-wise, Chinese, Indian, Italian, Japanese, it's all here. So you can't go wrong coming to Cosmo Preston.